Keeping your garbage disposal clean is important for a fresh kitchen and a healthy home. Today, Trusted Plumbing and Heating shares some simple steps that anyone can do. If you follow these tips, you will keep your kitchen smelling nice and your disposal working its best. Your garbage disposal handles all sorts of kitchen garbage and food scraps every day. If it is not cleaned, small bits of food and grease can stick inside, leading to unpleasant smells or even clogs. Regular cleaning stops these problems before they start and helps your disposal run longer and more safely. Safety should always come first. Before you start cleaning, always make sure the disposal is completely turned off. If possible, unplug it under the sink or flip the breaker switch. Never put your hands or tools inside when the disposal could turn on. This simple step keeps you safe while you work. Begin your cleaning by running hot water down the disposal for about a minute. The hot water helps loosen up any grease and washes away loose food particles. This gets your disposal ready for a deeper clean. Next, grab some baking soda and sprinkle it in the disposal opening. Then, slowly pour in vinegar. You will hear bubbling and fizzing as these two ingredients work together to break down grime and fight odors. Let this mixture sit in the disposal for a few minutes to do its job. After that, rinse it out with more hot water to clear any loosened debris. For a deeper clean, take a handful of ice cubes and sprinkle in a spoonful of salt. Turn on cold water and run the disposal while you feed in the ice and salt. The ice knocks loose stuck particles and the salt scrubs the grinder. This leaves the inside cleaner and can even help keep blades sharp. If you want your kitchen to really smell fresh, citrus peels are a good choice. Drop small pieces of lemon or orange peel down the disposal and turn it on with cold water running. The citrus oils naturally clean and deodorize the disposal, leaving a pleasant, fresh scent behind. When caring for your disposal, never use bleach, drain cleaners, or harsh chemicals. These can harm the parts inside your disposal and might even damage your plumbing. Stick to safe, natural methods like the one we've just shown to protect your unit and the environment. If you notice that your disposal is still smelly, clogged, jammed, or making loud noises after these steps, it is time to get professional help. The experts at Trusted Plumbing and Heating can tackle stubborn problems and make sure your disposal works safely and efficiently. If you need more help or have questions about cleaning your disposal, Trusted Plumbing and Heating is just a call or click away. Contact us for expert plumbing and disposal cleaning services. We are always ready to help you clean your kitchen and keep it running smoothly.